Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're having a wonderful day. In today's meal we're making chicken majboos. Wash the chickens and cut the whole chicken in half. In a cup put in saffron and powdered cardamom and hot water. In a pan put in vegetable leaf and onion slices and cloves and cardamom, and put in dried lime, cinnamon sticks and dried curry paper and stir anise and mix. And put in garlic cloves and cardamom powder and put in the chicken gizzards and half chicken and mix for all spices together. From time to time flip over the chicken. Put in turmeric powder, optional, and curry powder. And mix. Put in small amount of salt and hot water. And mix. Then take out the chicken and put it in a plate. And so is the chicken gizzards. Then put in rice in the same pot and mix for the flavor from the hot water. Then, when all the water is sunken, take the rice out and put in saffron in a pan. Put in minced onion and mix to the brownish color. And put in 7 spices and mix. Then put in water and vegetable leaf. And cardamom powder and dry grapes. Then put in raisins and mix. Put in pine nuts. The pine nuts are optional. Put in salt and black pepper and mix for all spices to combine. Then put in saffron In a separate pan, put in cooking oil and cubed potatoes. And then put in the chicken gizzards. Then put in crushed garlic cloves and parsley or coriander. With the chicken, put in black pepper and cardamom powder. And then put in saffron for the nice red look. In a pan, put in cooking oil and put in the chicken. Flip over from time to time. In a mixer or blender, put in tomato and mashed garlic. Put in tomato paste and salt and mix. Then put in water so it doesn't be too thick and mix more. And that's how we are finished with the duckles. Put it in your own kind of bowl. And that's how we finished. In a mixer or blender, put in green chili pepper, parsley and coriander, and mashed garlic. Put in salt and smoked red pepper. Put in olive oil and salt. If you want it to be soft, blend some more. In your own kind of serving plate, put in the rice. And on the side, put in the chicken gizzards and potato. And then put in the raisins and dried grape. And put in the chicken on top. And put in some onions or cherry tomatoes. And there you have it. It's perfect for your family and your gatherings. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell. Bye!